Hello, I'm Archibald Chesterfield III, and today I'd like to thank a very, very good sponsor. Yes, fuckers, I got fridge space for hire. And, I've had these special decals put on the fridge. Do you know Watches? That's right, it's a fabulous app that you can download from the Apple Store for free. And it's a trivia game for watch lovers. Do you know Watches? It asks you all sorts of trivia questions, and they are proud supporters of the ArchieLuxury channel. That's correct. They are very, very proud supporters, and I need support. So I'm very, very happy, and I gotta tell you, it's fucking fantastic, and it's just fantastic to have a watch trivia app for the iPhone. So I'm happy to support it. So please, fuckers, tell me what you think. Very, very proud on the fridge, a new member. Do you know Watches? Do you know Watches, fuckers? Fantastic iPhone app. Supporting the ArchieLuxury channel. Keeping me full-time on the tube, fuckers. Cut! Nice one, Arch. Great vid.